Hensem, yeah?
Hi, my name is Maria and I'm a freelance barber.
You ready? You got me running.
I've been barbering for 20 over years and it was in a military camp. Each haircut has to be like 3 minutes or 5 minutes flat. Also, it has to be uniform, so all the boys always look the same. Back in those days, there were no ladies in the barber scene. I'm like a threat. There was one uncle, he, just because the guy wanted to cut with me, he said, tomorrow I bring my daughter to cut with you. If you want girl, I bring my daughter tomorrow. It's not about being girl or guy, it's just because of my salon background, I cut the haircuts nicer than them. And he wants to look good for his book out. So yeah, he gotta understand that. They want to look good. Because I've been in the business so long, and I know the dynamics of it, so how much I can make in a month depends on the shop. Why wait around with a basic salary when I can hustle even harder? The most helpful thing is actually, if you're not sure what you want, have a picture. How you style your hair day to day, what product you use. Let's say you have a wonky corner of your hair that doesn't sit right. Tell the barber, because there's a chance we might accidentally overcut it, and then that wonky corner, we can't tame it down. So just to look fresh, a simple clean up on the line, on the side. But I know you can't reach the back, but if you have someone to help you, you can clean out the stray hairs, take thinning scissors and take off the weight from underneath. So then when you comb the hair, it just flows nicely. Then when you put product, it looks more capped. So we're just cleaning out everything with a number 4. Try not to over thin it down. So if you can see, it's all tidy up from this side to this side. If you're doing this on your own, always proceed with a bigger number gradually going down. That'll be your 1.5. Okay, this is to just go really low on the hairline. Just cleaning off whatever curls that are sticking up. Yeah, try to blend in with the bigger number on top. So if you're doing this at home, you do really light, don't go too deep into the hairline. So now we pre-prep the side. See where the hair flows, and then just snip off whatever is like stray bits that stick out. Blending in pretty nice from the back. Curly hair, don't have to be too careful. The curls will bounce and it will just look like a nice mess, the flow of the curls. Straight hair, you have to be a bit careful because one wrong move, then you'll see a very harsh line. So this is the most basic you can do on your own. Now we're gonna give him a proper haircut.
Can't see some.
Whiskylite, WHISKYLITE. All you have to do is DM me, or my contacts are on the profile, and then you just message me for an appointment.